How to change your shop name on Daraz Seller Center. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video, I will guide you through the steps on how you can actually change your shop name on Daraz Seller Center. So make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to change your shop name in Daraz Seller Account, all you have to do is, first of all, you have to understand one thing. That is that your Daraz shop name actually comes from a verified document, right? So when you first registered for your shop, you actually submitted a legal document in which your shop name was exactly the one you entered on your document. So basically, if you want to change it, you have to submit another document, and for this process could get a little bit complicated, but the easiest way to actually change your shop name rather than going through all this website and tutorials is just by contacting the customer care. So I would just recommend you contact the customer care of Daraz Seller, and then they're going to get in touch with you and then let you know the further steps on how you can actually go ahead and then change your shop name. So all you have to do is simply search for their number, right? So I'll just go ahead and select Daraz Seller Account customer care, depending upon the type of country that you live in. So if you live in Nepal, India, there are different types of regions for Daraz Seller, right? So you can say customer care, you can select the contact us button, open the link in new tab, and then all you have to do is just get in touch with them, or you can simply go ahead and just simply directly search for the number. And once you search for the number, you should definitely be able to go ahead and then actually change your shop name after you get in touch with them. So as I said earlier, just repeat the process, and that is that. Simply go ahead and contact the customer care rather than going through all the hassles yourself. Hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.